Hey food lovers! Are you tired of overcooked, undercooked, or just plain boring rice? Or maybe you're looking for the perfect rice cooker to make your meals easier and tastier? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, we're revealing the top 5 rice cookers of 2025, tested, ranked, and ready to transform your kitchen game. Whether you're a sushi fanatic or a biryani lover, these rice cookers will blow your mind. Stick around because, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which rice cooker is perfect for you. Oh, and don't forget, all the product links are in the description below. Let's get started. Number 1. Zojirushi Induction Rice Cooker. The Zojirushi Induction Rice Cooker is the right model for someone who eats rice daily or for professional cooks looking for fancier features. This rice cooker has many presets on its clear display panel: white or sushi, quick, mixed porridge, sweet, brown, cake, and steam. The display might be tricky for less savvy users, but the instructions make it easy to use. Since this rice cooker makes large quantities of rice, it isn't the best choice for someone with limited countertop space or storage. We found that the rice texture kept consistent during the keep warm function, which lends further credence to the machine's temperature regulation thanks to induction heating. Number 2. Aroma Housewares 8-Cup Rice Cooker. The Aroma Housewares 8-Cup Digital Cool Touch Rice Cooker is a simple and affordable stainless steel cooker for any household. We love how the display panel is clearly labeled and has excellent features like telling you how much time remains in the cook cycle, allowing you to plan meals better. Its 8 presets, such as slow cook, sauté, and steam, make this an affordable workhorse that goes beyond just making rice. You can delay the start time if you need it to begin cooking while you are out. Plus, the machine also has a quick rice function when time is limited, and it's super easy to clean. The clear directions made it easy for us to learn how to cook quinoa in the machine. We also found that the moisture content and texture results were consistent across all grains, making it the most versatile and reliable tool we tried. Number 3. Cuckoo Rice Cooker. Once we switched the default language from Korean to English, we were off to the races with this large-capacity pressure rice cooker. A pressure rice cooker is known for preparing rice at a much quicker speed than a traditional rice cooker, as well as offering more versatile cooking functions. This model from Cuckoo has 13 fully customizable menu options, a reheat option for leftovers, and a keep warm function. Among its several presets is one for sprouted grains, GABA, which can be more complicated for most rice machines to cook correctly. While testing, all 3 styles of rice we tried were cooked thoroughly and consistently, and the warming function worked well with no scorching. The large volume on this model is excellent for households that go through a lot of rice every week. Number 4. Zojirushi Rice Cooker. The Zojirushi Mikum 10-Cup Rice Cooker is one of our favorite Zojirushi machines for any household. It is foolproof and creates excellent rice with distinct grains that are not mushy. Even the warm function is exceptional, as the rice from jasmine to basmati was just as good as fresh in our tests. The manual also contains helpful diagrams and illustrations on everything from setup to how to use it, which we found useful during our tests. Some might find the capacity too large for average-sized households, but the brand also has a smaller model, which is less expensive and perfect for a family of 4. This 10-cup version is still easy to use around the house thanks to its large carrying handle and retractable cord. No part of the cooker is dishwasher safe, but the inner pot is genuinely non-stick and easy to wipe out. Number 5. Aroma Housewares 6-Cup Rice and Grain Cooker. For kitchens low on storage or counter space, or for individuals who only need to make a few cups of rice at a time, the Aroma 6-Cup Rice Cooker and Steamer is the perfect appliance. It has a pot-style build with no pressurization or sealing involved, and testing showed it can still turn out a great batch of fluffy rice. The pot takes care of everything with the flick of one switch and a default warming setting at the end of the cooking cycle. In testing, we noticed that rice can become crunchy when kept warm for too long, and this cooker is less effective on non-white rice varieties. However, in this instance, you get what you pay for. The accessible $20 price tag makes it a solid purchase for those who've never used a rice cooker. It also happens to be simple to operate and easy to clean. The pot, paddle, lid, and steam basket, for steaming fish and vegetables, are each dishwasher safe, and the cooker and heating element are cleaned with a quick wipe down. And there you have it, the top 5 rice cookers of 2025. Which one are you adding to your kitchen? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your fellow foodies, and subscribe for more amazing content like this. All the product links are waiting for you in the description, so go check them out. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep cooking those perfect batches of rice.